My motivation for making comics is to advocate to my fellow peer students the significance of math. I want to show them how math is not just about numbers and formulas, but a practical tool for making everyday life easier. In this comic, I start out doubting the usefulness of math outside of school. My teacher assigns a task to list everyday application of math, which feels tough at first, but as I helped my mom bake, I realized fractions and divisions are key in recipes. Later, at the mall, I used percentage to calculate a discount and save money. From cooking and shopping to budgeting and setting alarms, math is everywhere and can simply tasks that seem unrelated to schoolwork. Through this comic, I hope to inspire my peers to see math as more than just a academic subject. It's a skill that makes life more efficient and helps in problem solving, critical thinking, and financial decision making by showing how math applies in real world situations. I want to encourage others to appreciate its value and use it to their advantages.